Hello students, this is the second part of our revision of lesson 1, The Boy and the Robbers. In this video, we'll revise the MCQs and question answers, right? The multiple choice questions and question answers. So let's start the video. Here we have our first multiple choice question. Persian boys were taught at home and at school too. So we have three options: travel to distant cities, fight robbers, and tell the truth. So the Prussian boys were taught at home and school to always tell the truth. So the correct option is tell the truth. Next one is who said this. Here we have one statement, so we have to tell that who said these words. So the line is, truth is beautiful, always love it. Truth is beautiful, always love it, and it is said by Otaner's mother. Otaner's mother said this. Next one is, what did Otaner's parents why did Otaner's parents want to send him to a distant city? Distant means far away. Now, why Otaner's parents want to send him to a faraway city? Otaner's parents want him to study in a famous school in a distant city. So they sent him there because Otaner's parents want him to study in a good school which is in another city. So that's why they sent him. Now we have true and false statements. Our first true and false is, Otaner's travel with a band of robbers. No, as we have read in lesson, Otaner's traveled with group of merchants, not with the group of robbers, right? So it is false. Second one is, Otaner's had 40 pieces of gold with him. Yes, it is true because he had 40 pieces of gold. Next one is, Otaner's told the robbers that he had no money. No, because Otaner's told to each and every robber that he had 40 pieces of gold. So that's why it is false. Next one is, the robber chief realized that he had no money. True, because no one was ready to believe on Otaner's that he had 40 pieces of gold. Right? So next is again one multiple choice question. Where did Otaner's keep his money? In his pocket? No. In his hat? In a fellow traveler's bag. So he hid the money in his hat, right? Under the lining of his hat. So the correct option is B. Now again we have two questions. Why did not the robbers believe Otaner's? Now why robbers were not ready to believe on Otaner's? Because the robbers did not expect Otaner's to tell the truth, so they did not believe him, because Otaner's was a young boy and it was very hard for them to believe that Otaner's had a 40 pieces of gold, right? So that's why the robbers did not expecting Otaner's to tell the truth. Next one is, what happened to Otaner's in later life? As at the end of the story we have read that Otaner's became famous in later life and he was the advisor and friend of two Persian kings, right? At the end of his life he got success, he became successful person and he was the advisor and friend of two Persian kings, right? So this is the revision of our book part, back exercise of our lesson. So firstly, listen the video, watch the video, and after that do practice on your rough notebook, right? Thank you.